was pregnant of her. Her biological father at that time, he wasn't in our lives. He told me to get rid of her. You're gonna give birth to a vegetable. And I remember telling him, I was so in shock. I said, you know, if it's gonna be such a burden, let it be mine. And it's a blessing, it's not a burden.
We're here today in conjunction with Rebuilding Together of Bergen County, and we're doing a volunteer project here with our union carpenters from Local 253, primarily for Millie, who's the resident, a child. She suffers from a severe case of spinal bifida. So we're building a deck here. We're adding a ramp so that she could have access to her backyard, which she didn't have in the past without being carried by her mother.
This is gonna help her to be independent and to continue to build on her self-esteem and be more able to be a member of society and participate and feel like she is someone.
So this is a very important aspect of this job. This is the exterior door where Millie can now gain access to the new deck that we're building. This door before was too narrow for her to get in and out of on her own. So she actually had to get off of her chair, get through the doorway, and then be seated again. Now she'll be able to get in and out of her house on her own, utilize the new deck and the ramp to get to her backyard. And the most important thing she was saying, she wants to be able to get to her pool on her own.
There's some great volunteers who are in there to demolition and to, you know, paint. Without the skilled labor of the union workers, we wouldn't be able to get any of this done.
And as you can see also, we have electricians here from Local 102. They're doing some electrical work for us while we renovate the bathroom as well.
Who knows how to build a ramp that's ADA compliant? Who knows how to, hook up the electric that needs to be done that's safe for a little girl? That's not us. And so we're so grateful for everything that the union provides.
It's a blessing regardless of the hardships. I will not change one thing because Miliana has just brought so much life and love, and she really makes you appreciate life because she's so limited, yet she's so happy and full of love, and she's vivacious. She's everything, She's just an amazing little human being.